guys, Namaste. Welcome back to AnkiNish Creations. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a super cute and simple lamp decor idea using recycled glass jar. So this video was a little bit experiment for me because my first time concrete effect spray paint use करने वाली थी इस वीडियो में, and the result was very good. If you don't have concrete effect वाला spray paint, you can use any kind of spray paint, or you can apply acrylic paint as well using a sponge and dab onto the glass jar. It will give you the same result. And yeah, the main thing I want to share in this video is the technique which I did with using the tape. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. Hit that like button if you do. Comment down below your thoughts on it and subscribe if you haven't already. If you recreate this DIY using this technique, please tag me on Instagram, or you can email me, or you can send it to me on my Facebook page. All the links are given in the description box below, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.